Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is above 30 or 20%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's go with the reset. So if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Polar Flow application. And once they're paired, you can open the app, tap on the menu icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on devices, and here you should see your Polar Vantage M3 on the devices list. Now scroll down through this page, find the option called Factory Reset and tap on it, then tap on OK. And the watch should start resetting. As you can see, it disappeared from the devices page. And once you see the list of languages on the screen of your watch, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the not system settings, the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.